Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the video. My name is Veldal and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back with another awesome video. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an extra crispy deep fried country rib. And here's their ribs right here. Okay, what you're going to need is some mustard. You're going to need like 2 tablespoons of mustard, teaspoon of seasoning salt. You're going to need some, excuse me, teaspoon of garlic salt. You're going to need a teaspoon Hungarian paprika, a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And when I say you need a teaspoon of all of them, is because you're going to divide it up, okay? So you're going to put half in on this and half in this. And this is 2 cups of flour, all right? And I have also in this is some starch, okay? I'm multitasking, so when you see this video, know that I was multitasking. I'm not playing with you, all right? That's what I'm doing right here. I'm talking to my homegirl in her live stream as I make this video. This is the family. We just got to do what we got to do, right? This is Miss Terrell. You guys go check her out. She is awesome. Dining with Zion. You guys definitely need to check her out. They is very awesome to me. It's some new people that came in. I want you guys to check out. I'm trying to find them. Hooked on Tea. Go check her out. Please go check her out. She's an awesome young lady. Alright, let me put it back on there and listen in, tune in to them. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this started over there, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm still doing the live right here. There's Miss Terrell. You guys go check her out. Alright, so we're going to drop this basket just like so. Okay guys, I am back. And I forgot to flour up. So you just want to take these and just lay them in there gently. Okay. And I'm not going to even lie to you. This is my first time doing this. There's pork, right? It ain't going to burn up too bad or nothing. Okay, so that you know, I'm still at it. Okay guys, I am back. And these are done. And I'm still on the live. So I hope you guys like this. Hold on, let me take a piece of this. Tastes good. I've been tasting it. I've been living. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good food. Now, see, I ain't going to take too much of this because you're supposed to let it sit and rest, okay? So I'm going to let you guys get this first bite. Okay? Alright. Now, let me taste the piece. That is good. It's better than chicken. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I got something else to cook. You guys like this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Please like and share. Comment and subscribe to the channel. I'm sorry if I'm talking with my mouth full. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to Veldal's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better. From my home to yours. Guy, see you next time. Veldal's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.